everyone, welcome to this 5-minute killer ab workout. My name is Joy Cameron and I am your Pilates instructor. Throughout this video, we're going to be focused on quick but effective workout to get calorie burning in your abs, to exercise and to strengthen each part of your abdominal. I'm going to be guiding you through about 6 movements. It's going to be steady pace, breathing, slow and controlled. So if you are ready to start your morning off on the right foot, then let's get into it. Alright you guys, so our first movement, we're going to be lying flat on our mats and come up like you're going to do a roll up, stop at midpoint and twist, and then tap your toes. And then when you come down, you're going to stop at midpoint, hold, and then digress back down to your mat. What we're doing is we're taking the traditional Pilates roll up and we are doing it slow and controlled. We're breaking it down at the most powerful points where it engages your core. So lift your arms above head, stop at midpoint, twist left to right, then touch your toes. Again, when you digress back down to the mat, I want you to stop at midpoint and then come back down. The second movement is going to be heel taps. We are going to just bend our knees in 90 degrees and we're going to be lying on our backs flat in neutral position, and we're going to rotate from left to right, tapping our heels. Make sure you are exhaling as you rotate. Don't hold breath. This movement is alternate arm to alternate knee crunches. So we're just gonna take our opposite arm to opposite leg and we're gonna tap it in the air, and we're gonna do this rotation for the 40 seconds. This is going to be a sit-up with a push and a drive. So we're going to do a regular sit-up. We're going to come to the mid, we're going to pause, and then we're going to push ourselves forward, engaging that core with power to create a little extra tension on you, on your abs. So stopping in the midpoint as we go up before we push forward, and then as we go down, we'll put extra abdominal pressure that we need to build a strong core. Alright you guys, we're going to do a single leg lower. Just going to have our bum underneath. We're going to have our our palms underneath our bum. We're going to be exhaling and inhaling as we rotate our left and right leg in the air and back down. Alright you guys, here we're going to be lying still on our mats, flat and neutral spine, and we're just going to do a double knee to elbow crunch, alternating from our left to right side. So tap our left elbow to our right knee twice, and then tap our right elbow to our left knee twice. And that's it, you guys. You finished the workout. We're gonna stretch a little bit here, lie on our backs. You did a wonderful job. Alright everyone, that was a 5-minute ab blast. I hope you can feel the burn, because I can feel it too. However, stay tuned and be sure to hit that notifications bell so every time a new video drops, you'll be opted in for the workout. If you would like longer workouts and you're looking for something 10 minutes a day, click this video. Challenge yourself, you guys. Our abs are our powerhouse. So thank you so much, and share this, like, comment, and subscribe. And please, I would love to see you on the next video. Until then, ciao, bye guys.